Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech World. And today we are reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. As we go for the review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, it's a really good smartwatch, and you can design your own when you go to the Samsung website, and you can design and you can buy it through the website. And design. This rotating bezel turns more than head. Some looks are timeless, like the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic's rotating bezel and vivid screen. The refined design brings sophistication to your wrist, and its higher-end stainless steel materials express its powerful and intuitive functionalities. And Galaxy Watch Design Studio, time to find your personal style, and you can buy it in this website, the Samsung.com. Band. Strap in and start moving. Stay comfortable all day long with the Ridge Sports Band. The material keeps the band durable and water resistant while maintaining a firm fit on your wrist to suit your active lifestyle. Right, about the watch face, a new day, a new watch face. There are so many watch faces. When you buy, you can get to know more about that. Choose between analog or digital watch face with a variety of bangles, fonts, and colors to match your taste, the weather or occasion. Spice up your character watch faces with the AR emojis to express your style, while animated graphics show what you are up to, like listening or running to music. So now let's go for the fitness of this phone's smart.
Yes. So as we go further from the topic, we get to know that we're going to be knowing about the body composition. So basically, you don't not just listen to your body, but just also know more about it. Because you also have to track your fitness progress with our first smartwatch that conveniently measures body composition, get to your body fat percentage, skeletal muscle, body water, and to achieve your goals. The Samsung Bioactive sensor and the fastest chip brings the biggest innovation into Galaxy Watch yet. And now, also there's one more thing, as I repeated earlier, there's weight, skeletal muscle, fat mass, body weight, BMI, body water, and BMR. So these will be shown when you check for the body composition and get a BIA measurement with using just two figures in 15 seconds anytime anywhere. But one thing also you guys need to remember is that when you do your body composition will not be accurate if you're younger than, like if you're so you're if you're like younger than 20 years old, you're not about 20 years old, then you will not your body composition will not be accurate. And also if you're pregnant, please do not do a body composition. So that's all. And also the new Samsung's bioactive sensor captures your body composition in real time to inform you as you manage your health goals. Now we'll head to know about the daily activity and fitness training.
As we go for the daily activity and fitness training, name a workout, it can track it, and track your activities and fitness scores on your watch and phone, and count the steps and check the calories and stay on the grid with the GPS. Galaxy Watch for Classic detects the physical activity to track your routines and support more than the 90 exercise for a more accurate report of your workout. And when you talk about the group challenge, your workout buddies have your back, and they enjoy every step you take with your friends and families with the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Track your steps and compete with your friends in a fun competition through a live message board. And challenges come with the commemorative badges and a point system to make exercise fun, motivating, and socially rewarding. So when you talk of the health, watch that watching out for you. And when it has the blood pressure and ECG, all the day your heart desires. Meet the Samsung's bioactive sensor that measures the ECG and blood pressure in real time. After initial calibration, the sensors quickly check your blood pressure. You can also check the abnormal heart rate and rhythm through the ECG and send data straight to your phone to be easily shared. And blood pressure measures using an optical heart rate sensor known as PPG sensor, and ECG measure ECG using an electrical heart sensor. Now let's talk about the advanced sleep.
So when you go for the advanced sleep, you can know like the most holistic sleep analysis on the Galaxy Watch. So basically, the sleep tracker detects and holistically analyzes your sleep stages while you rest. Improved measuring options don't let you check your blood oxygen levels and snoring patterns and say you not saying you to do that, but also Plus gets advanced insights from the National Sleep Foundations for better sleep quality and duration. And also, when we get to know about the operating system of this Galaxy 4Edge, it's not like the old one. Now there's a new operating system for it. It's like a real team player because the first smartphone, like the first smartwatch, which is Galaxy Watch 4 Plus Classic Bluetooth, is having a seamless access to your favorite apps on your wrist. You will also get a rich app selection from music streaming apps and to get anything in massive library of health and fitness apps. Now, also, this watch is connected to, let's say, it's compatible with the Galaxy Buds 2, and then it's also compatible with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G and also Galaxy Z Fold 3. That all these phones are like the watch is compatible with all these three items. So the Galaxy 4 Watch 4 Classic comes with a Wear OS powered by Samsung, giving us seamless connection with the Samsung Galaxy devices, control ANC on Galaxy Buds 2, and enable apps on your phone straight from your watch. Additional features like Compass makes the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic even more useful. Now we're going to also be doing in next video. If you guys need to stay tuned for the video of Galaxy Buds 2, you guys have to be stay tuned for that. And now let's head to the more like things you guys need to remember. So basically, the things I mentioned earlier, you should not measure your body composition if you're pregnant, and measurement results will not be accurate if you're under 20 years old. And one more thing, do not measure your body composition if you have an implanted pacemaker or implanted medical devices. And the third one you guys need to remember is that Galaxy Watch 4 is rated as IP68 based on text conditions. For the submersion it is up to 1.5 meters of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. Do not put in more than 30 minutes, and do not put in more than 1.5 meters. Okay, watch will get it bad. And that's all. And so if you guys want more tech videos like this, you guys also need to be make sure that you guys will subscribe to our channel. You guys need to like, comment, share, and turn on notification so you guys notified every new video. And also consider sharing this with your family, friends, everybody guys know, so they will also get to know more about the tech and informative videos of phones. So like also they'll get to know the phones which are releasing basically. And that's all. And also stay tuned for our new videos coming up. And that's all. My name is Jonas.
My name is John. We are Tech World.
Yeah, Tech was signing off. Bye bye.